fortunate to be celebrating the 100th races of 4 different drivers that have been competing in the American Le Mans Series, some of them literally from the start. And they've been around a long time, and they have rewritten the record book. I want to give you just a couple of quick examples. There's 4 of them here today. We have Bill Auberlen, Jörg Bergmeister, Butch Leitzinger, and Jan Magnussen. Between these 4 drivers, they have 6 ALMS championships, 73 race wins, 203 podium finishes. They have 27 pole positions, including Bill Auberlen putting another one in the mark yesterday, 29 fastest laps, and I could go on and on.